Bună ziua, am ajuns la noi la Mizil. Nu vă spărați, unde suntem aici?
Hotelul.
Păi aici e hotelul?
Hotelul meu.
Ok, la revedere. Bună ziua! Bună ziua! Who are you? You are so pretty and beautiful. Statuia lui Buddha. You can explain in English. I have my guide with me.
What is a print? This is a right city. This is symbol of the Loyal province. This is name or home. This is building. This is very high of my city, Loyal province. And then after you will see around in the Loyal city, over there or around. But we have.
There is Buddha.
That is Buddha. This is very old Buddha, more than 100 years ago. But we have to improve every year. It has some problem. That's it.
Yes, natural problem. Ia uite ce bulevard au. Babe, you can see Bucharest from here. Oh my God, this is my princess.
It's very nice park. Very nice.
Yes.
A little part of my city because it's not only this city.
What's happening in the water here?
We have some
What is that?
have some of the Islamic water. When we have some festival, they
Yeah,
show.
festival.
Yes, it's like
We have in Romania too. And this?
It's like that for the it's like from the Buddha or the Lord
So it's something.
to respect and all the people in Loyal City. We have to take the travel and to pay and respect them.
I found another Buddha in the park.
Yes, this
In the middle.
yes.
Okay. Thank you for sharing this information. Let's go. Orașul ăsta are circa 2 milioane de locuitori, cât are București. Salutare!
Hai noroc.
What's that? Ah, the point. English. This is now what with this. Yeah. I told them this city has 2 million, almost 2 million people like Bucharest.
This is all there. This is what?
What is this? Is this statue?
Yes.
Where is it? That one? Oh, babe, it's over there. You see? I found it. I'm good. But you are the best. Go in front. Zipline. Au zipline. Bau. Babe, where is our hotel? Approximately. Do you know? That white? This one? Babe, look. This one? Ăsta e hotelul nostru cu piscină. Piscina e sus. Royal Hotel. 4 star. And she's 10 stars. Domnul Barbu, Barbore, ai văzut hotelul nostru? Păi vezi, dacă n-ai ghid, îți trebuie o ghidă, neapărat. Eu zic să găsim o ghidă. Păi din donațiile alea nu găsim mai o ghidă? Ce băiat cu minte, domnul Barbu. Cel mai cu minte român de aici, din turnul ăsta. Da.
Eu ce plouă acolo. Acolo plouă în față de noi.
Păi vezi că în 10 minute s-ar putea să plouă și aici. Babe, look in front. It start to rain. Yes, the rain is coming. What's that building?
That is building with
Ah, for the law?
Yes.
You should be there. You finish law. She's a lawyer. She finished law like me, but never practice. Like me. Am văzut la mașini pe aici BMW, Mercedes, dar de bază sunt Toyota and Honda. Ăștia sunt cu 10 ani înaintea noastră, ca să nu zic 50. Thank you so much, my guide, my girlfriend, my everything.